All right, I'm gonna go and make some. I'll make sure my audio is not actually coming through. Okay, we're gonna make a graphic before we actually start live coding. It's a little too tall. Make this really long, actually. Is it too big? Get rid of the view. How do you get rid of the side things? All right, let's see, does this work? Scale, transform. Properties. How can I just scale this 50%? No, that is actually scaling it. Nope. Kind of scroll it. A little too fast. Okay, I'm 2 years old. We'll make more graphics. To put this on the Insta. Okay. If you're here to see me code, I'm sorry. So I need to figure out, so change the data structure for this, and I need to figure out why, not why, I know why, to figure out why cells that are not on, I need to figure out a way to get cells that are not on to turn on, not turn on. basically, yeah, we need to check for the neighbors of. We need to check for the neighbors of cells that are off. And so let's turn all these off. So if we have these cells, is there a way to quickly tell what the min and max? I guess I need to discover like what is the bounding box. Like I basically need like this area. Like if this is only on, I need to find out. I need to look at only this area. Well, technically only the black area inside of that. So I need to find a min max for both dimensions. That's what I'm gonna do. So export function get get bounding box, live bounding box from grid. Okay, so grid dot for each row. We actually need to check for every row, so don't even remember how this is set up. Row dot so dot row. There we go. We need to run this. We're done. X number, Y number, width number. Do I don't know. Width, height. No. I guess top left. Oh, I top left, bottom right. No, top. Top right. Bottom left. Generate that. I should add a, okay. I know this is really stupid, but I'm going to add a keyboard shortcut, which I know is a distraction, but add a keyboard shortcut for generating which is actually, no, music of life, sounds of life. QG, going to generate, run generation. Is that all it needs? Oh, I don't actually know what the enter key is. Just enter it as enter, okay. Needs that, okay. So now if we clear this, cool. Let's change the default speed from 1000 to like 200. And let's have a keyboard shortcut to make it play when we press spacebar. Set live. Just going to toggle that value. Cool. I don't know why I still always think it's so cool when it's so easy to do stuff with React. Been doing this a while. Okay. Okay, so for each row, do this and run that. Generate. So we just need to iterate over each key dot object.keys doesn't feel right for this. Yeah. How do you get objects, keys, JavaScript? This is what program actually is. Okay, is it entries? I don't actually know if I've ever used this before. It's not what I wanted. By the way, I'm listening to this album by Hetty One and Fred Again. It's really good. No one's in the chat. I just love my little banner at the bottom. Not values, not keys. Oh, this is just embarrassing. I just iterate over them for const key in row. Yeah, no. It's not what I want. Oh, is it? It's immutable. It's an immutable, so I could. Immutable JS keys. wish they could play music on the stream. Row dot keys, or is it? It's a function, right? Oh God, I don't even know how that works. In row keys console.log key. Mm. I just want. I just want a list of the keys, like the actual keys. Get out of here. I don't want to actually loop through this. Let's go. That is great. Row.min and console.log. Showing how dumb I am, honestly. 2, 3, 2, 3. Need more music. Okay, hold on. You know, Why is it so quiet? Oh. Okay, I need to figure out how to get the min-max of this console.log. I still just don't understand how immutable JS works sometimes. So we got this, and I need to just get the keys. Loop through keys of object JavaScript. Just don't feel like that's right, but for const key of key, this is going to work. I don't know what that means. We're going to ignore you. Iterable iterator. Yeah, I mean, I guess immutable entries map. Got my boys in the chat. Boys are in the chat. Okay, honestly, this works for now, so we're going to go with that. So what do I do? Okay, so these are the y values. Yeah. Let top equal bottom number equals 0. Should this be infinity, I guess, actually? Let's right number equal negative infinity and left. I think that's right. So top math dot min max, excuse me, math dot max. Key, wait, okay. Thank you to Will and Aiden, who both showed up for their boy. Give you a live shout out on chat. I'll keep you peeking in the side, my boys. Not too much though. Okay, math.max key top. And the bottom. Yo, PP. My boy PP's here. Paula, you're an honorary boy. Okay, so we've got that. We do need to have the values here. Const row key, I guess we need to call this. Symbol. By the way, I hope nobody goes back into the beginning of the stream and finds myself doing anything embarrassing. There was like 20 minutes of just absolutely just me not realizing that I was streaming. Okay, so that's a row key. Row value. We have a cell key, cell value of row value. Entries. I have no idea if this is going to work. Console.log cell key. And let's be good and put that in a bracket. We don't want that. Okay, I think that's good. Only we need right and left, which is the correct way. The max, yeah, starting, yes, okay, let's hope that's right. And I thought max negative infinity 0, that works, right? Yeah, okay. What is this? Oh, this isn't any. Oh, are the keys actually strings? Console.log row key type of. But good old JavaScript. Yeah, so I made a bit of a mistake perhaps because Well, I don't know if it's a mistake, but all of my keys are strings, even though they're actually numbers. There's numbers as strings. Yeah, I don't like the fact that it's just coercing. I feel like there's something wrong there. Something's gonna, it's fine, it works. It shouldn't work. All right. Need to do more self-promotion, one sec. Okay, I think that should work. So, number is infinity. Is there a thing? Is there such a thing? MDN. Is there a way to see if it's infinity? I guess I can just, if it is infinity, okay. Okay, if top equals infinity, do you actually care about that, right? I don't think we really actually, do we? If that's the case, okay, so if that's the case, I've done something wrong. If that's the case, but the lengths are not zero, I've done something wrong. I don't know. I'm just gonna like console dot error. Yeah, I goofed. We'll just actually throw an error. Throw error, you goofed. Is that not how that works? No. Else, I return top, right, bottom, left. Okay, I think that works. So we now need to get the bounding box. And console.log that. And wow, okay, that worked. Always pleased when things work the first time. You try them. Function get slightly larger bounding box. I guess we'll say bounding box is now a type. Interface. The amount of times I've written this exact type. Bounding box. Oh, I should actually just have done a refactor. That's not right. That's why I was angry. Refactor. Tracked to interface. Bounding box. Yay. Refactoring is much faster. Okay, so sorry. Bounding box. Original. Yeah, I guess we're just returning original. Is there some fancier way to do this? I don't think so, really. Dot top. It's a faster way of doing this. It's not really +1 for everything. So top would be minus, right, bottom plus E. Okay, here we go. Slightly larger bounding box. Okay, so when we're generating, we now will get slightly larger bounding box. Const search area. Search area. I don't really know what to call it. Search area. It's not really searching. It's searching. Generation area. Working area. Is anyone watching? Is anyone watching? No. Dun, 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 Okay, so working area is a bounding box. So I need to now make okay, so I guess the problem is that if I have like this, I want to be able to check the cells around this one here and the cells around this one here, but I don't care about this space, and that's kind of like the naive implementation just will check everything, which is I guess fine. But if we know that those don't exist, we've already done so much work though. I mean, we've already checked those. Okay. So what we could do, we could efficiently split this up where if we check all of the live cells first, if we check all the live cells first and then we check, and when we're checking the live cells, we say, these are dead cells around them. That is a clever idea. Okay, so we have a list of all the cells that are on. We go through and check those. We then add, while checking those, a list of all the dead cells that touch the live cells. This is just like a way more sophisticated algorithm than it needs to be. Okay, that's the more sophisticated algorithm. I will write that down. To do maybe sophisticated algo that checks live cells first, then adds the dead neighbors to a list to check they are born. Yeah, that's a pretty clever algorithm, I guess. because the only cells that could be born have to be close to live cells. Okay, so but for now, we will create a for loop for let y equal working area dot left. Y is left of working area dot right, and I believe that's actually that. Yes, because we want to include that one. It's inclusive. And then for, I guess, yeah, I need to figure that one out. Grid dot get. Okay, I guess grid dot has. Why? I don't know. Y plus string, is that even right? Expected token. Oh yeah, didn't even fix that by being close. Actually, just do a debugger here. Good old debugger. Yo, Luke. What's up? All right, yeah, let's try debugging. Turn off that debugger in game canvas. Okay, so grid dot has y. Doesn't, okay, yeah, that's fine. Because we want to wait for the next one. Okay, what is y? Y is 3. Yeah, no, it's not. No, it should be in. Grid, what does grid have? Grid should have that. Have I fucked this up? I totally have. That is not right. What is this? No, this is not right. That's just not right. How is this working even in the first place then? Okay, so if that generates, then that's the grid. How is that working? Grid, okay. Okay, that's not, yeah. Grid dot has 3. That's not going to work. It has 3 though. Okay, yes. Oh my god, I'm just not doing the thing. Okay, so if grid has that, okay, so we're now iterating from the top down. If there's nothing there, we don't check it. Which of course is not checking the dead cells, so we need to check fit. Okay, so if it's dead, the value is 0. Interesting. Okay, so actually we should just do this. Let x equal working area dot, okay, Alec, top, bottom, left, x is less than or equal to working dot right, x plus less. Okay. Okay, so first off, okay, so we're going through every single cell. So const row exists. We can just cache this check first. To cache this check, cache the check. Okay, so if the row exists, so if row exists, then we actually will say grid dot get. And I guess we const row equals. Yeah, we actually should just grid dot get. Okay, so actually just do that. We don't do row exists. But if it doesn't exist, then it would be undefined, right? Cool. Okay, so that is undefined. Okay, so if the row doesn't exist, so if row doesn't equal null, then row dot has so grid. So let's just see this. So grid dot get 3 dot. What do we have in there? 3. So grid dot get 3 get 3 will be true, but okay. Row dot get x. This whole fucking keys as string thing is just not working. I need to do something about that. I'm gonna break that down. In Music of Life. Sounds of Life. keys as strings is hect up. HECKED. Where was I? Okay, so the current value is that. Which we can just cast to a Boolean. Okay. So then we can count the neighbors. We can just do this. Move the working grid up. Right, okay. Wait, why is X and Y not working though? This is dumb. I should not be doing this. Oh my god. Y string, like what do I do differently? Where is this used? Where am I actually? Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be a number. It's gonna be a number. Sorry. It's going to be a number. Okay, well, at least that is not horrible. I just don't like that, but whatever. I'm just gonna do an ES let ignore. Whatever, we're just not looking at that yet. Oh, whoops, that's. Hmm. This is actually an important point. If I'm okay, they actually cannot be Boolean values. I just need to make sure. Yeah, okay. So cell value just is going to be true always. Let's enforce that in the type. String, it's already enforced. Okay. Is it though? Okay. Should this work? No idea. Okay, let's just give it the good old, does it work? Check. Nope. And of course it doesn't work because it doesn't, well, it works in that it does the same buggy behavior as before, but that's good. Okay, so it's not still unchecking. Yeah, so why isn't it actually doing? Okay, so it's just, it isn't checking things that aren't on. Okay, so let's go through this. Now we can't turn things back off again. How did that regress? Oh, it works. Oh, what? It worked once, and then it doesn't. Wow, okay, that makes no sense. Is that not what a glider is? It totally is. Something's messed up. Okay, so that works fine. Okay. Why can't I delete stuff? Actually, is now the question. That's an easy one, hopefully, to fix. Oh, is that actually running? No. Why did I goof? Oh, I guess if it is empty. And grid dot size is not equal 0. Ooh. Infinite loop. Okay. That's no good. Infinite loop. Oh, well, of course, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Turn null. Yeah, okay, we'll just actually just throw an error. If that's throw error, yeah, goofed. What? Okay. Don't know what just happened there. Why this? Oh, okay, well, it's not. Yeah. Okay. So let's do the easy one of why the drawing isn't working. Because I can click to draw, but I can no longer click to erase. Man, it's got hella slow. Gotta. Okay, yeah. Turn it off. Okay, so let's make that value be definitely Boolean. Okay, so okay. Stupid fucking truthiness. Okay, so it's false turns on. If it's on, wait, current value is false. It's because they're integers. Honestly, this whole how am I generating these boards that okay, is there something I'm just doing with like okay, so my problem is that I'm using immutable, using maps, and immutable dot map, and I'm setting the keys to what I would hope would be numbers, but they actually are set to strings. So, hello. Okay, so we have that, and if we were to get 0, so this is just because I am doing this, so that works fine, but I'm just doing something worse. This is really embarrassingly slow at this point. Okay. So if instead of that, I do this, which I would imagine is equivalent. This is what I'm doing. This is basically what I'm doing. Although I'm actually just really just doing it with Boolean values, but so okay, so it's just a simple matter of I just need to not do that. Okay, so when I make we're going to get rid of every instance of this. And we need to look for where we're doing the spreading. I am doing spreading somewhere, right? An empty grid is just a map. Empty board array. Are we actually using that anywhere? Shouldn't, no. You're dead. Okay, an empty grid is just that. Soup is basically, this is a problem. So okay, so for instance, this, the blinker, we just need to have this be 0, 1, 2, 3. And we're actually going to do this. Amazing. Even fucked it up. Hello. Wait a minute. It's not taking focus. Well, that's not good. Maybe it's the other window that was blocking it. Okay, well, that doesn't work at all. So grid is now number. So why does the fill why does spreading an array string key number versus string keys script? Love reading Stack Exchange. Answers from 10 years ago. Okay. Okay. We can just get rid of soup as a function just for now, because I just don't want to worry about like supporting that. Is there a better way to do this? Is there like a, can you do it by array? Object. Is that type actually right? I don't know. Yeah, okay, whatever. We'll just do this the ugly way. Okay, so set deeply is working, right? Yeah, it's totally working. It's the game of life that's not working. Okay, so we need to see what's going on when we generate. really doesn't look like my laptop likes streaming. It gets very slow. Okay, so we're going to set up a basic test pattern, and we're going to that's not what we want. Okay, so simple block pattern, generate. Okay, let's see what happens. So we have bounding box is calculated as 1 and 2, amazing. Working area is not right. Okay, I fucked up the top and bottom ones. Working area. Okay, so top should be -1. Right should be to the right, bottom should be below, and left should be left. So what did I do wrong? Okay, so bottom should be 2. Left should be 0. Right should be 3. Top should be 3. Top is -1, or top is 1. Top should be 3. Am I wrong? I'm wrong. Top should be 1. How am I, wait. Bottom should not be 1. Okay, that's why. Top should not be 2. Top should be 1, bottom should be 2. Okay, that's what it is. Top should be infinity, unfortunately. Bottom should be -infinity. There we go. Okay, so there we go. So the bounding box is 1s and 2s. Working area is still wrong. Just refresh. Okay, bounding box. I want the min. The bottom, I want the max. The right, I want the max. The left, I want the min. I'm smart. Oh, I didn't even have that right. Bad Alec. think that really is the problem, but let's see. Generating. Okay, step through here. Bounding box. No. Okay, my watch is telling me to stand up, so I'm going to stand up and do some exercises. Because I've not stood up for the last 3 hours. I feel like this is probably a good time to just get new perspectives on your bad code. Wish you guys could hear the music. Okay, so I feel like the stream would be a lot more interesting if I just like standing and walking around the computer. Certainly would look cooler. So bounding box for that should be 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. So y is bottom 4. It's because I deleted stuff and they weren't properly deleted, that's why. Okay, my watch is now telling me that I've been standing up, but I've not been moving hard enough. If there's anyone in the chat, you should tell me what exercise I should do. Still have not been moving. Guess maybe it doesn't like the fact that I'm just walking around in circles. Okay, I'm gonna like do jumping jacks. I guess this is one thing I need to have. I need to have like a mode for every hour. I need to like take down some notes. So I think a good idea is to have more audience engagement. Like already like slightly winded. That's what I get for literally sitting around all day today. Canceled 2 yoga classes. Self-care is canceling yoga classes that you don't want to go to. Hourly get up and dance. And P break graphics. Um, okay, so really should just put this thing further down, but I wonder if the keyboard is actually sending me. Oh, I have two debugger statements. Amazing. My keyboard's been slow, and I actually thought it was my computer, but maybe it's actually just the fact that it's trying to stream music, my microphone, and also the keyboard and mouse at the same time. So, okay, so this works fine when generating, and it works fine when bounding box is perfect. 0 down to 3. So the bounding box is like all around that. But if I have like created and deleted things, then you know what? My thing doesn't delete the row. That's what I need to do. So the utils, okay, so I'm guessing that set deeply, if we are deleting, yes. Yeah, so if we delete a row, we need to make sure that so if row dot size, so new const new row equals row dot delete x. Interesting, it is my Bluetooth keyboard being slow. Why are you being slow? I'm gonna plug it in, I guess. I just thought it was my computer being slow with my Bluetooth keyboard. This is honestly news to me because it's done this a lot in the past. I thought it was my computer. Okay, hopefully no more problems. If, oh my god, this is so much better. New row dot size. Return grid dot delete y else. Is this really the way we should be doing this? I feel weird about this, but it just feels very cool, you know? Feels way too cool. Now we get a nice, elegant, small thing. I don't know. Okay, yeah, let's see how that works. Okay. Generate. Honey box is nice and big. Continue. Oh, and that even actually worked, possibly. Maybe this is actually going to work. Which I don't actually, did I just fix something properly? All right, generate that. Working, okay, yeah, works fine. Okay, now the real question, have I actually fixed everything? Oh, oh no, I didn't. Oh, but it's close. It is very close. So the R-pentamino. Okay, so this cell lives. Yes. R-pentamino. Can't spell, but there we go. Let me get a good photo of me doing this. I mean, I could just read my code. Okay, sorry about that. Oh wait, am I doing this? No, this is exactly right. Wait, so why it immediately goes to that? It's just missing one. Why is it just missing one? Or no, oh yeah, the wrong one, but yeah. Yeah, there's something wrong. Uh-huh. There's something wrong about it going up. So I just did mess something up again, but let's just man, it is just grim out today. I would really love to have this working again. I didn't touch any of this code, really. No, I did. I totally did. Yeah, I've done something funny here, haven't I? I mean, I guess let's just go through it. Can we get a better example of this not working right? I guess we could just actually just do the arpentamino like this. I got more space. Okay. Okay, so bounding box to the left two. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna do a dad. This is something that my dad would do. And oh my gosh, this is 100% a dad. Oh, I don't need to do that. Do I have any more parse ints? There might just be like parse int. Nope. We're just going to draw a grid, is what I'm trying to say here. Let's do for 100. For let y equal 1, x less than 100, plus plus p5 dot, I honestly don't even know p5, that well, line x1 would be, okay, so x 0 x window dot inner height. This is actually two separate loops, not nested. Inner width, y, cool. Okay, I think that actually would work. I'm gonna have a stroke. That doesn't seem to work. Stroke at 1. Why are you not working? Oh, there's just something fucked up with that, isn't there? I feel like this gets fucked up when this happens. Interesting. Oh, yeah. Times cell size. Cool. Could even just do this. Messed up width and height. Why is it not going the whole width? I was wrong. There we go, okay. Okay, generates. Okay, so the working area, yeah, actually, we don't want this. We want the fucked up. We want this. Okay, so if I am this cell, it's the one cell it doesn't get. So it's this one. So this cell right here, which is 3, 0. And the working area should include it. 3, 0. Oh, it's actually 2, 0. Okay, yeah. So it definitely is included. So that one cell is just the one that's not working. Could even be better. Let's just even better be better and put the debugger in only when we want it, which is when. So if x equals 2 and y equals 0. Debugger. Okay. Row, okay, so row does not, okay, so row equals row is null. Wait. Wait. What happened? Okay, so hold on. So row is null. Oh, I just said I mess. Okay, so I didn't put it in a case. So if row is not, okay, row doesn't equal null. There you go. Okay, so we just have some kind of funky code here. Need to figure this out. So if row does not exist, then it's soaked. Then we just know it's false. So really what we need to just do is this should not be in there. I think I fixed it. Let's go. Okay, it looks like there are some kind of abnormalities along the edges. So I need to figure that one out, but yeah, this is it. So this is the R-pentamino. It's called the Methuselah because it lasts a really long time if you know your Bible history. I don't know, it looks like the gliders are going off. At least the gliders that are working seemingly popular. No idea how that's working. Well, maybe that actually is working properly. But yeah, it's Methuselah because, as you can see, it's just a simple pattern that has resulted in something really, really crazy and will only stabilize. It probably will stabilize sometime soon. I don't know how many generations it's been, but could have also still fucked something up, and this could still be going on, but I'm just gonna run that. That still is going. I don't feel like it should still be going though, that's the thing. That didn't feel exactly right, but yeah, for now it's good enough. Maybe I need to display the count again. Yeah, I think actually we can probably just use this as a, So we're going to check the count because the count is known, like the length of that our pentamino is known. And we can just also, sounds like, make this just a smaller cell board. We can compare the size. Make it, I guess, actually smaller. Okay. Messed up already. Okay, so show the controls, and we're going to run this. Wait, why? Oh, the count's not going up. Amazing. Okay. So we're already in the 300s. So generation 1103 is when it should stabilize. Okay, it's actually maybe not all that crazy that this wasn't done. This is looking kind of slow. Should take a look and see what's taking up all the time. 1103. So 1103. Wow, this is really slow. This is really, really, really slow. Like, this is not even... I can hear the fan spinning up as well. Okay, so yeah, it looks like it's probably about to stabilize. 11, 1, 02, and it still hasn't stabilized because it has that one and that one right there. Everything else is a stable pattern. And 1103, it is stabilized. And so just for fun, stabilization is define stabilization by obviously the patterns that are still moving. These blinkers are still moving. And you have these beehive, they're called beehives or something. You have little boats, or actually that's not, or one of these is a boat, I can't remember, but little bread block. And the gliders that shot off, they're all repeating patterns that are just kind of considered stable because there's not anything, no new patterns will emerge. So, okay. So that works. It is slow though. That was very, it got slower as time went along. Oh, you know what? You know what? So you know what? It's fast again. See how fast it is? And that's because the search area is very small. I bet you I've got it pretty messed up just because the yeah, I'm searching a very large area. I've created this whole bounding box thing, which is rather clever, but those gliders that were shooting off to the sides, we're just continuing to grow the bounding box. And so as they continue to get further and further away, um, the search area was just a lot of empty space. So I, and that's going to be a pretty common thing. So I'm going to need to figure out a way to do that. But that will be for next time. Um, I know nobody is probably watching right now, but maybe there is someone watching. Did I close the window? Um, but thank you if you were watching. Oh, it's still open there. I have no idea. Thank you for watching. I'm done now. I'll be back later.